All right, just going to do a little walkthrough of the facility here. Now, I've been away for about a month. I went to Vancouver, Ontario, Toronto, and had a great trip back home. So I'm from Vancouver, Canada. Hadn't been home in about almost 3 years. So the crew were left here to kind of work on some projects. These I'm showing you are all going to Hong Kong. So these are wall panels. So there's an exclusive car club in Hong Kong, and they contacted me, and they're going to have these as wall panels. We got one more coat of oil to do on these. That's the bottom of this one. But a lot of these are from the same series. So this one here and that one, and the 3 other ones are all from the same tree. Now this one's going to San Diego, California. That is the bottom. And this is another wall panel that the customers in Hong Kong are going to use. So it's from the same series as the one going to San Diego. Anyhow, just a recap of what's been happening here the last month. And again, great to be back in Ho Chi Minh City.